Bailey, I want highlights today. Oh, no can do. Excuse me? I was unaware of that, and so I don't have enough time. Do you want to get your root touch up or reschedule? I'm pretty sure I just told you I want highlights. Please do highlights in my hair. Unnecessary attitude. Okay, so you remember when I texted you last week and was like, hey, are we still doing your normal? And you're like, yes. And then you remember how you should have gotten text from the system telling you what services you were getting today? I changed my mind. But you changing your mind does not change the amount of time I have available. Well, then tell your next client to come in later. No, I'm not going to inconvenience my next client because you did not make me aware of what you were wanting to get done today. Could you just call and check? Nope, that's not one of your options. So your options are, I do the service that I had you down for today so you still get your hair done.